So like in my research, what I'm finding is that perpetrators, I mean, any type of app that you have, they're going to try to see if they can like infiltrate and take advantage of it. So, I mean, when I say like any type of app, I'm not just talking about like Snapchat, even on Indeed. I have my dissertation is focused on employment employment fraud. On Indeed, adults that are going online are getting their social security, bank information, I mean, you name it, taken advantage of. So I think like it's hard to say, or it's hard to be like, it's just this one thing that you need to like look at, you know, to watch your kids. I would say it's like the whole gamut, like anything you're doing online. Um, the best, I mean, because a lot of this is socially engineered, right? So yeah, you have like your phishing tactics and your malware that like cyber criminals can take advantage of to like hack you and that sort of thing. But all of it starts with the human aspect. So being a human, when you engage in these things, I think it's always important to have that in the back of your head.